Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Shanara Vlogs. Hope you're all well. Ashahari Balasoin. I've just come back to my sister-in-law's plot on the allotment. So I thought I'd give you all a quick update. MashaAllah, it's doing very well. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, she is doing quite well considering the type of weather we have. Our climate isn't the best. We're in the northwest here, and we do have a bit of hot weather during the summer, but not a right lot. And lately it's been raining so much, I guess, as it has been across all of the UK. And so these are courgettes. Her courgettes every year, mashallah, turn out really big. They look more like marrows, but they are actually courgettes. The main fertilizer that my sister-in-law uses on her allotments is horse manure. She gets like 10 bags every year. আমার বাবি এখানে যে সার ইউজ করেন একটা হলো গিয়ে গুড়ার গুফর। আমি জানি বাংলাদেশও গরুর গুফর ইউজ করেন। However, এখানে তারা হয় গুড়ার গুফর বেশি বালা। So গরুর তো অভাব নাই আমরা রিতা এরিয়া। তারপরেও গুড়ার গুফর ইউজ করা হয়। And the other fertilizers that she uses is tomato feed. I think we all use that. And she also does a lot of composting with her kitchen waste. And believe me, she gets a lot of vegetable kitchen waste because she's always cooking. So if you're interested in getting yourself a plot on an allotment, you've got to contact your local council, because I think the majority of them are owned by the council. Not all. This one in particular isn't owned by the council. It's a private allotment. So it's a little bit cheaper than the council ones. This plot itself was £45 a year. But this year the price has gone up to, I think, 60 or £65. But it is for the whole year. And there's a good water supply. There's taps all around the allotment, and like I say, they have people bringing manure, wood chippings and different things like that. So it's still better than gardening in your own garden because you get all the extras. This particular allotment, it's one of the better ones in the area, and I think it's because it's privately owned. The rules are a lot stricter than the council ones, because the allotment association, they enter competitions every year and they tend to win most of the time. So therefore, if you have a plot, you've got to maintain it. If you don't maintain it, then you get warnings. I think you get like your 3 warnings, and then they can take the plot off you. So allotment or bada hoilogi 45 থেকে 60 pound বছর। And allotment ঠিক মতো না রাখলে তারা 3টা ওয়ার্নিং দিব, আর তারপরে তারার প্লট নিব কিয়া নিয়া অন্য জনরে দিলাইব। আমার বাবিও 1 বছর তাই first prize na second prize পাইছইন। Yeah, my sister-in-law won either first or second prize, I think 2 years ago, and it was for her bottle gourds, because mashallah her bottle gourds did really well. This year the weather, we had fantastic weather for, I don't know, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks possibly, but then it's gone cold again, so the bottle gourds are not doing that well. She's harvested one, mashallah, it was a nice big one, and the others, they're still quite small. In fact, they're very small. She's got one covered there, somewhere there in a bag, and she's got a few small ones. You see there's one covered there in a bag. But alhamdulillah, despite the not so good weather and climate, I think she's done quite well. As I say, she's harvested a bottle gourd. She's got like a bit of everything on this plot. This is Malabar spinach, puy shak. She's got the round courgettes, the regular courgettes. She's got amaranth, she's got lal shak, she's got hyacinth beans, the runner beans. So she's got quite a lot of things going on. She's got taro, she's got the Chinese achucho, rhubarb, cucumbers, Bangladeshi cucumbers as well. By the way, achocho or achucho, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, that's actually what us Bengalis call potol. It's not actually potol, it is a Chinese vegetable, but it's just a name that's been given to it by us Bengalis. These are the bottle gourd plants. As you can see, we have to cover them up. If you want any success with them, you have to cover them up, or you've got to grow them in a greenhouse. In my garden, I have one covered, and that's mashallah doing so well. It's got big leaves, it's got some bottle gourd growing on it. I mean, it's a late plant, so the bottle gourds are still small. And then I've got two other ones that I've not covered, and the leaves are only small, and there's no vegetables growing on them. So that's the difference, basically. An interesting fact is the town which I live in, there are quite a few Bengali households, and everybody does some backyard gardening. Everybody tries to hand up bottle gourd, but yet nobody, as far as I'm aware, has been successful. Nobody's actually managed to grow any bottle gourds, and we only managed to grow them by covering them like this. This year, the reason I've not covered two of them is because I thought the weather was going to be really good. But we're supposed to get some more nice weather, so see how it goes. Allah Hafiz everyone. Assalamu alaikum.